Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu states, when Hazrat Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhu was placed on the bier, the people gathered around him in a flock. They were seeking pardon for him, praising him, and invoking blessing for him before the bier containing his body was lifted, and I was also amongst them. None alarmed me but a man who held my shoulder from behind. I turned to see that he was Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu. He invoked blessing for Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu and said, O Umar, you have not left behind anyone who is dearer to me than you, that I may meet Allah Jalla Jalaluhu doing deeds like his. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I only think that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will certainly keep you along with your two companions. And I think so because I have often heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam say, I, Abu Bakr and Umar came. I, Abu Bakr and Umar entered. I, Abu Bakr and Umar exited. So I think Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will keep you with your two companions. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6137.